Welcome back to Udta Rasoiya's vegan kitchen. We have another Diwali recipe today, which is vegan Mysore Pak. Mysore Pak is one of the best Indian desserts which needs only 4 ingredients. Here are the ingredients. We have 1.5 cups of besan or chickpea flour. This is 3 cups of sugar. We have a cup of vegan ghee, and this is 4 green cardamoms pounded to a fine powder. Let's roast the chickpea flour on a low flame until the raw smell goes away. I have been roasting the besan for about 12 minutes. Stir the besan continuously and keep it on a low flame. I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of vegan ghee to the pan and warm it for a couple of minutes. Now we are going to turn off the gas and add the roasted besan to the warm ghee. Stir continuously to avoid any lumps. 3 tablespoons of vegan ghee was not enough. I'm adding 3 more tablespoons to this mixture and stirring it. Keep stirring until all the lumps dissolve and you get a batter of this consistency. To make the sugar syrup, we will add 1 cup water. To that, we will add 3 cups of sugar. Keep stirring until the sugar completely dissolves. Looks like the sugar has dissolved. I'm adding the cardamom powder to the sugar syrup. Keep stirring on a low flame until you get the one string consistency. Keep stirring until you get this one string consistency. Adding another ladle of vegan ghee. I'll keep stirring continuously. In a couple of minutes, this mixture will leave the sides of the pan and then we can transfer it to a greased pan. You can now transfer it to a greased pan. You can see a portion of the top layer hardening. Allow it to aside for about 30 minutes and then you can cut into pieces and serve warm. Once the Mysore Pak has solidified and is still warm, you can begin to cut it into pieces. Wishing you all a very happy Deepavali.
It cuts like butter, that's perfect.